If you've ever opened up Telegram and seen that dreaded account limited message, don't worry, you're definitely not alone, and today I'm going to walk you through step by step how to fix the Telegram account limited problem. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to check and try, whether you're on your phone or using Telegram on your desktop, to reclaim full access to your account and get back to chatting without interruptions. Let's get right into the first thing to try, which is checking inside the app for any prompts or options to appeal directly. When your account gets limited, especially due to things like suspected spammy behavior, Telegram often gives you an on-screen prompt, or you might see something from the spam info bot. Take a few moments when you log in to look for a help button or any banner with instructions on how to appeal the limitation. It might seem obvious, but many users overlook these prompts in frustration or by clicking too quickly. So slow down and really read any messages Telegram shows. This direct appeal is often the shortest route to resolving the issue. Imagine it like finding a shortcut door the app is holding open just for you, rather than trying to troubleshoot blindly. If you don't see an in-app help prompt or spam info bot notification, the next best thing is to contact Telegram support. For this, you have a couple of options. On mobile and desktop, you can email support@telegram.org, but remember, only send one email per account to avoid confusion or delays. Give them a clear description of your issue, something like "My account is limited" without explanation, and I'd appreciate a review. Or if your issue isn't spam-related, you can use the Ask a Question or Volunteer option in the app's settings. It's always a good idea to be polite and concise. Imagine talking to a real person. Being clear and respectful tends to get better results. Now, sometimes account blocks or limits happen simply due to too many login attempts in a short time or a suspicious spike in activity. If you think that might be the case, sometimes the best action is actually not to take any more action. Just wait it out for about 24 hours. It's like giving your account a cooling-off period. Use this time to step away from Telegram and try logging in after a full day has passed. Often, the restriction lifts automatically. Another surprisingly common culprit is incorrect date and time settings on your device. Telegram is strict about this because mismatched time can look suspicious. Go into your phone or computer settings and make sure that date and time are set to update automatically. It seems minor, but think of it like trying to enter a club with the wrong timestamp on your invite. The bouncer might stop you even if you're on the list. If you suspect the issue is with your network or location, try connecting through a VPN. Sometimes, internet service providers or countries block Telegram features, or Telegram itself might restrict certain regions after detecting spam waves. Using a VPN lets you appear as if you're connecting from elsewhere, which can bypass some limitations. If you've never used a VPN before, don't worry, there are free options out there and setup just takes a couple minutes. Now let's get more specific for desktop users. Clearing your app's cache and data can resolve bugs or stuck settings that lead to the limit error. Head to your computer's file system, locate Telegram's data folder, and delete its cache before reinstalling. Similarly, try launching Telegram as an administrator. This gives the app extra permissions and sometimes resolves weird glitches. And never underestimate the classic move, just restart your computer. You'd be amazed how often I've seen a quick reboot clear out temporary snags. And if nothing's worked so far, try a full reinstall. Uninstall Telegram, make sure to delete any leftover files, and download the latest version fresh. It's like giving your app a clean slate, and sometimes that's exactly what fixes stubborn account limitations. I hope this guide helps you unlock your Telegram account and get things back to normal. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button. And if you have any questions or need help with a specific step, drop a comment below. I always check and try to reply. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical tech tips and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and good luck getting your Telegram account fully restored.